Once the pineapples arrive, they are thoroughly washed and inspected before moving to the dehydration lines.
The synchronized diverters ensure consistent sizing, crucial for the subsequent dehydration process.
Automated spacing is holding perfectly.
Yes, much better throughput than the previous line.
The ring-to-spear cutter ensures every piece meets our strict standards for consistency and hygiene.
Ensure there is no overlap before it reaches the dryer. Understood. The flow rate is optimal.
Here in drying zone 1, the carefully controlled circulation of warm air begins the dehydration process, gently drawing moisture from the fruit.
Here in Zone 3, the precise control of humidity ensures the pineapples achieve that perfect leathery texture without any scorching.
Once the pineapples leave the drying chambers, they enter this filtered air tunnel for a gradual temperature drop, locking in the flavor.
The state-of-the-art facility ensures peak hygiene. As the steam dissipates, the texture stabilizes to that perfect matte glossy finish.
Lane 6 stabilization is complete.
Good. The moisture levels look perfect.
Utilizing advanced stainless steel equipment, the pineapple is gently guided into its protective pouch, maintaining the highest levels of hygiene.
The gentle squeeze rollers ensure seal integrity, and any package failing the test is swiftly diverted, maintaining the highest quality standards.
The process utilizes advanced vision inspection systems, ensuring precise fill levels and pouch integrity.
Check the alignment on the folder, please.
It is within tolerance, Supervisor. The flow is steady.
Once dehydrated, the product is quickly loaded for shipment, ensuring the vital supply chain continues without interruption.
From the plant floor to the retail backroom, the logistics are seamless, ensuring quality control every step of the way.
These golden pineapples are preserved, ensuring quality from our plant to your local grocery shelf.
Try our delicious dried pineapple added to your favorite yogurt or trail mix.